I want to hear nothing. This cereal is the best cereal out there. I don't care. Don't even argue with me, bro. This is the best cereal. Remember when I didn't have chin hair? Well, now all I do is just comb my chin hair. I need to get a new comb because I bite this one. Don't ask me why, I'd be bored. But you're probably wondering what the hell is this on my finger? It's a cotton, and then I wrapped it with some, I used the med kit or bandages, if you want to say. And let's just say, don't play with knives, especially if you're like, gonna open a package. Well, if you do open a package, make sure it's not going towards your way. Make sure it's away, like far away as possible, and make sure nobody's around so you don't slice anybody else. I opened the package, made a hole with the knife. It went through perfectly fine. So I was like, you know what, let me make this more deeper or longer, or make the hole bigger, whatever you want to say. And as I did that, the knife made contact with my finger and caused a bloodbath, and it's not cool, but I really didn't let that stop me, to be honest, from uploading. Quick little story. So literally the day before my birthday, my barber cut my hair off, and I don't mean like just my waves, like I was bald. Like I had toe hair, basically. Like it was short as fuck, bro. I couldn't even pull it, bro. That's how short it was. And that kind of messed up my birthday, but my friends cheered me up. And yeah, I was just blessed for another 18 years of life. Almost forgot to say this, but yo, what's going on, guys? Yoshi, I'm back with another video for you guys today. Haven't said that in a minute, and it feels good to be saying it again. You're not gonna speak to me? Alright. Oh god, bro, that's so disgusting, bro. Yo! Can you find me a girlfriend on this? Can you find me a girlfriend on this?
Yeah. Get
the fuck out of here, you bugging.
Yo, what's good, Georgie?
What's cracking, Mom?
Yo, what's your real name? Cause I know Georgie ain't your real name.
It is.
That's all shit. Act on, bro.
Gotta go, bro. You look like are you Asian? No wonder. I can't see. What am I looking at? That shit ugly. Yo. You have been reported? Reported for what? What the fuck? Yo, what did I do, bro? You look nothing like your profile picture. Oh man, that's tough. I'm a catfish too, don't worry. You look like... Are you somebody's mom? Yo, she look like somebody's grandma. Yo, Nick.
Yo, what up?
What's good, bro? Yo, where the pictures at, bro?
I don't know where my pictures are at.
What?
My pictures are gone. I'm gonna have to get back.
Oh, this nigga's wildin', bro. Yo. Never, bro. I've been reported for what? What the fuck did I do, bro? Yo, they're gonna ban me from this app, bro.
Push Carrera, go your pouch, Rex in a quarter ounce.